but I'm doing better with this intro that I have for the last 5 days. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's what I have for you. It is day 5 of February 2019 box week. I was like, it took me a second, but I'm doing better with this intro that I have for the last 5 days. So today, if you are joining me for the first time, hi, welcome. I'm Drew, and box week is the best week every month on my YouTube channel. It is the 1 week every month me and my YouTube family spend 7 consecutive days together. So yes, every single month we have a 7-day video streak where we just hang out, we comment back and forth, we make friends with each other. So if you want to be in the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. Okay, so today, if you are joining us for the first time, you're joining us for what the Just Like Drew family. This is like our favorite video that we do during box week. It is our face mask and chill unboxing. So that's where we open up my face mask subscription box, which is FACETORY. I will get into that in a little bit, but first, what I ask you to do is actually to pause this video and put on a face mask yourself and join me in masking and relaxing. And I will be putting in a face mask into our stockpile giveaway. So I want you guys to know that this box is pretty much full. So after like tomorrow's video, it'll be ready to go. So I'm going to be putting in one of the Tula Bright All Night face masks that I got in my BoxyCharm box. I realized I got like 4 of them and I was like, you know, I need to spread some of that love around. So I'm putting the Tula face mask in here, and I saw that so many of you commented, setting the box down, on the BoxyCharm video. You're like, man, I wish I would have gotten those masks. So I'm putting one in there. So, you know, if you're one of the people who did not get the Tula mask in your box, maybe you'll win the giveaway box. And I myself will be putting on this No HJ modeling mask serum. It's a chrysanthemum mask and it's a calming mask. Lately my skin has just been like a goofball. I'm just like, I don't know how else to describe it besides like my skin has just been kind of weird. So I'm putting this mask on. Like I said, if you are joining us for the first time, who have a face mask, pause this, put it on. This is this has gold, y'all. It's got gold on it. I did this mask a long time ago and I forgot that like how much I actually really enjoyed it. So yeah, like this is basically just a way for all of us to do a little something nice for ourselves. We do a face mask. I can't undo this face mask. This one, it looks nice, but it's like impossible to open apparently. There we go. It's a way just to kind of show your, you know, show your skin some love. We're very big on like promoting self-love, self-care here on my YouTube channel. All right, putting it on. Did not realize that it had gold flowers all over it, so I'm going to be in a gold flower mask for today's video, and I'm actually really excited about it. So I'm going to explain to you a little bit about how FACETORY works. So FACETORY is a monthly face mask subscription box. It's one of my absolutely favorite subscriptions that I get, period. I feel like, first of all, the presentation packaging is always phenomenal and really well done, but the other side of it is you're getting quality product. So especially if you're somebody who's like, I want to get into face masks, but I don't really know where to begin, FACETORY is a great place to start. They have a couple different subscription options. They have like a 4 basic face mask subscription that you can get, and that one ends up being around $10 per month with like shipping and handling. And then they have what I get, which is this box here, which is the 7 Luxe version. Which it comes out to be about $20 per month with taxes and shipping. I recommend it to people, especially because that way, you know, if you're just starting out, you're getting 7 masks. So basically you could do like 1 or 2 masks per week. And it's a good way to just kind of like promote some self-love, self-care. Also, this mask is like really, really dewy. Like it's like dripping everywhere. So that's going to be kind of interesting for during the video. Okay, so let's get into this month's FACETORY box. All right, it says, "You are the queen in my heart" on the top here. Write a message and give this to someone who you care for. Okay, so that's really cute. They gave you a little card and they said you should give this to somebody that you care about. I like that. The packaging inside is nice blue tissue paper. Alrighty, so on the top of these, one of my favorite features of FACETORY, because they're giving you Korean beauty skincare products, is that they give you this sheet that tells you all about the products that are going to be inside of your box. So that's really awesome and exciting, because that way, if it's a mask that you're like, well, this is written in another language, they tell you what it does for your skin, why you should use it, and how to use it if it's something that's like a multi-step mask. And the other thing is, you know, people always say like, well, how do I get started, you know, doing face masks? Well, if your skin feels dry, do like a moisturizing mask. If your skin is kind of irritated, do a calming mask, you know, things like that. So the first mask on the top is Ace That Face Collagen Mask from FACETORY. So FACETORY started rolling out a little bit last year, their very own brand of face masks that they've created. And let's read about Ace That Face. So this one has hydrolyzed collagen and Ganoderma lucidum mushroom extract. In need of glowing smooth skin, this mask is infused with super nourishing and skin plumping ingredients such as hydrolyzed collagen and the mushroom extract, which helps bring out the best in your skin. Okay, so this is a really good plumping mask, which those are always great. Ooh! Oh my goodness, I was actually just looking at like one of these face masks to buy the other day. So it's a Medius mask, it's a 2-step mask, and this is a moisturizing one. So the thing I always like about these Medius masks is on the top they always have like an exfoliating pad right here. So you take this and you rub that all over your face beforehand, and then you put the mask on after. So a good thing to do like maybe once a week is to actually like deeply exfoliate your skin before you put on a face mask, because it's kind of removing all the extra junk in your face that may have been built up from like makeup or just like, you know, pollution outside, etc. And then put the face mask on so your skin can really absorb all of the nutrition. So it looks like this mask is full of jelly essence. This 2-step mask is amazing for pampering night with your bestie. This combo will lightly exfoliate and hydrate your skin to reveal a brighter and smoother complexion. All right, that is a good one. Ooh. This one I've actually looked at buying before too. This is great. These are all masks that I was looking at buying and have not purchased it. That's always a that's always a super win. All right, Skin First Oil Wrap Mask. All right, so there's that one. And it says, not only can you enjoy chamomile as soothing tea, but also a nourishing oil for your skin. For all of our oily gals and guys, not to fear, these oils were made to be used on all skin types. So that's always something I feel like people have a concern of if you have like more oily skin, is you're like, what do I do with this? This mask is created for any skin type, including people who have like naturally oily skin. Because I know like there's certain products, like I've used like oil cleansers before and my skin actually breaks out and I actually don't have oily skin. So it's good that they're making a mask that does that for you, but doesn't like do it to the degree where you can't actually enjoy it. All right, next thing that we have is Dr. Althea Herb Therapy Velvet Mask, which is right here, green tea, calendula, and chamomile mask. We got a mask from Dr. Althea I think a month or two ago, so I haven't actually heard of this brand until FACETORY started handing them out. So if you guys have been using Dr. Althea, let me know what your thoughts are on them in general. All right, so just as the closet to you, wait, just as those closest, I can't read. Wow. It is too early that I cannot read. I was like, just as the closet, just as the closest to you would come for you during your hardest times, let this mask give you a boost to your skin. This mask will keep your complexion luminous for days. Hyaluronic acid and ceramide. All right, the next one, you guys. Oh, this is one of the ones that I think we got from, that I got from 23 Years Old to try. This is a Cocktail Velvet Petite Mask. Look at this. Yeah, because remember when I did my face mask haul video and I showed you guys like these really cool new ones from 23 Years Old, which honestly, 23 Years Old is one of my absolutely favorite face mask brands. I know that they're sold on Amazon. I know FACETORY sells them on their website, as well as you can buy them, I believe, on like Riley Rose's website. They're honestly like one of the absolutely best like face mask brands out there on the market right now. Like I have fallen in love with them. Every time I do one of their masks, I feel like my skin is like, you know, visually better, feels better, and just does better overall. So this mask is cheers to your bestie and loved ones who will never let you down. This Cocktail Velvet Petite Mask will provide your skin with a more youthful appearance, improves the appearance of enlarged pores and uneven skin tone, strengthening the surface of your skin, and it has glutathione, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, a powerful antioxidant that helps lighten hyperpigmentation as well as provides anti-aging benefits. Alrighty, and the next mask that we have is Miss Young Wasabi Nude Mask. I don't know how I feel about a wasabi mask, because I mean obviously I'm guessing it's safe for your for your skin, but that's just like makes me like, ooh, kind of nervous because wasabi is spicy family. So, alright, take the advice of your bestie and treat your skin to a moisturizing mask using a unique ingredient, wasabi. This mask will keep your skin plump and healthy. So wasabi root extract, a powerful antioxidant and antimicrobial ingredient that aids the skin against free radicals and has tea tree in it as well. So I kind of wonder if this one's gonna burn your skin. If you've used this mask before, please comment below and let us know like how it's worked on your skin, especially for those of us who might have like more sensitive skin. Like my skin's not super sensitive, but lately it's been a little bit more touchy, so I'm kind of nervous but excited at the same time. And then we have this one. It says Goo Tao Beauty. It doesn't really say what kind of mask it is, but it's got this really fun like picture on the front of it. Goo Tao Beauty La Fair Panda Mask. Okay. Make your day a little more magical with this mask that uses a highly concentrated essence to instantly provide moisture and nutrients to your skin. Alright, sodium hyaluronate, great skin restoring moisturizer ingredient that helps reduce the appearance of blemishes and provides additional benefits for aging skin, and licorice root extract. Okay, so to recap this box, which I feel like it's kind of interesting. I feel like this box had a lot of masks. I definitely was not expecting to see a lot of the masks that were in here, so I feel like they definitely branched out and changed it up quite a bit, because usually they have like a sort of flow to like the style of mask they hand out, and these are all different, so I'm excited that they handed out a really wide variety of things for people to use this month. Alright, so they have the FACETORY Ace That Face Collagen Mask, which is supposed to be for plumping your skin. We got the Medius Moisture Mask, which has like the exfoliating pad and then the super jelly like moisturizing face mask there. We have the Oil Skin First Oil Wrap Mask, which is supposed to be good for any skin type, even oily skin types. We have the Dr. Althea Herb Therapy Velvet Mask right here, which is supposed to be like a really, I think it's more like calming and soothing, as well as it's got like green tea and chamomile in it. We got the 23 years old Cocktail Velvet Petite Mask, which I'm honestly super duper excited to try this one. We got the Miss Young Wasabi Nude Mask. So we got a mask with wasabi in it. So I'm interested to see if this is gonna like burn my skin or like make my skin look bomb. And then we got this Goo Tao Beauty. It's like a panda mask, I think is what they said. Overall, I'm really happy with this box. I think it is really well done, and very, very impressed with the quality of mask they gave out this month. And like I said, very unique. Definitely did not expect to see what I've gotten here. So I'm gonna go off camera for a little bit and let this sit on my skin, and then I'll be back to close out the video and say goodbye. Alright guys, so it is time to reveal my skin after using the face mask. I like it. I mean, not that like my face looks totally different, but I definitely like it. I feel like my skin, like I said, has just been like really dry and like needed to be hydrated, but also it's been a little bit like irritated because of like the constant like weather shifting. So that's what I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we're literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6 of box week. Alright, talk to you. I love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Tunnel vision on the customer that they are assuming is purchasing this box. Like, sorry for the rant. I did not plan on going there, but I did not know this was in here, and I just